Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today is officially Sunday the 5th of November 2023 and today we've got a fireworks show to show you here on this channel. Enjoy the show.
There's 28 bucket, just chuck them below. I'll clean them up tomorrow.
Got this one, we'll have that one next.
When you've done it, just stand down there. Take a picture.
I'm recording it anyway.
I'll take a picture. Go on, go down there. Call him, Mum. Go on, go down to Nanny.
I don't think that's got a wicker.
Did you screw a wick out or?
Yeah. Next one, Jack. Huh? Which one?
Somebody with firework down. Chuck that one down then, down. Just. Can't see it.
Come on, say, come on. Mom. Where is it? Is it coming? Oh.
These are great, are they?
Yeah. Oh, that's rubbish, isn't
Is
it?
it? Just have a-
Wait a minute, let's get the wick out first. That's how it's been done. Watch. I like that one, Jack. Ooh, it's a smoky one, isn't it?
If you want a sequel, got it. If that one works.
Come back here. Come right here. Watch. Come stand with me. Come here. Oi. Here. Come back here.
To the side.
Yeah, I've got one here. Right, give down that tap.
I want to report. I want to go and report these.
We'll take the three that are done. Put them to one side. Right, come away. Whoa, look at that. There'll be more, won't it? Yeah. Watch it, this one might work. Stand back, Grandad. What do you think, Jack? Good one. The change. Yeah, I don't know that one.
To do fresh
Oh, yeah.
light.
Oh, that's a nice sleeping one. Yay. There you go. We'll have that one next. Give Grandad that one. Come away from them, they might be warm. Give that one to Grandad. Right, in, that's it. Come on, quick. Stand there with Liam. Watch it. There where you go, come out of the way. Like it? Yeah. Oh, it's a smoky one. Woohoo! Oh, mate, that one.
That's it.
Yeah, it is a high one.
Probably get Jackie one. I want to stand there. Can you stand there with it? Okay.
Come over here. Come over here and stand with me. Yeah. Come here. Wow.
Go that way a bit. Right in line that thing. How can I
Why
take a
didn't you
picture?
move?
I would do it.
Yeah, take that one.
Frogs and rods here.
There you go, don't touch. I'm just getting that one ready. Let's stand here.
Stand a bit over there. That's it.
Ready? noisy one. Come on then. Watching. Go on
Make
then.
the longest vlog.
Okay.
Come in, I've got a big one here. Come here. You watch it.
You need to get over there, Mother.
I didn't know you
It's blowing off stuff that way. You,
Come on. Stop that. What them that wind tree? Don't touch. It's got wick there. What's it started?
I bet that's being colours.
I've not got the wicks off
No,
it,
but-
everyone.
Bonfire Night 2023.
Right, come here, quick. Leave that. Over here. This way. Your camera out back then.
That's not going to do it, is it?
There's quite a long whip on it. Give it another.
Oh.
Hey, watch this one. Yeah, don't you touch it. Don't touch it. Want to get that big one? This big one? Yeah.
Hey,
Right.
come on.
Might get a picture with it.
You're too far back. You just come halfway down the ladder.
Come here. Come stand here.
I'm just already doing my vid.
Right. This one, let me take the ends off it then. No, come here. Let me do it because, no, not that end, it's the other end. This one. Right, just a minute.
I think that would run end that.
Not from end at all. They only
Let's
have,
see if this will work.
they only have one end, don't they? Come here.
Don't touch.
Hey.
Phone.
Yeah. Well, come watch it. Hello. Hiya. Yeah, we're just doing this fireworks.
Oh.
Yeah, it's on his jacket, cheese. Yeah. Yeah. You okay?
Try that other one that didn't work.
Good. Next one. Leave it to Grandad. No, it's just us. Just, I think they've already done theirs. No, not their bit last. Last. Yeah, we're trying to get some pictures.
Don't matter anyway, it'll be in my
Will
vlog.
do. Love ya. Bye. Bye-bye.
Never said we did work the wrong way, or give the wrong way end.
Oh, did I?
Hey.
We don't want noisy ones, do we?
Hey.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hey.
No big ones. Don't touch it. Wait a minute, we should get the sellotape off it.
What's that at the bottom?
That's where we stick it in the ground.
Stick it in the ground.
In the sand. I'll stick it in the sand then.
Safety risks.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't push that. Come away. Come on, over here. Do this one there. Get this lip off
On
it.
this one there.
Okay.
Yeah,
That one after this.
yeah, that one after. It's the side, it's weak.
Do it.
The wick. Oh, see it? That it? Yeah,
Yep.
that was short and sweet, wasn't it?
Oh.
I mean that one. Give that to Grandad. Find the wicks at side.
Wicks aside. That's it.
I'm going to eat.
Come here. We're standing with Liam.
It's on the box. Oh.
How many's left?
Half a dozen. Here, give that to Grandad. You have to put that in right up to there.
Halfway.
Yeah. Oh, dogs.
That's it. That's it. Let go.
Did you push it right in? Put that on this one.
What's this one?
Watching.
Oh. Oh.
Wait a minute. Yeah, take Grandad that one. Tell it wicks at side.
Which side?
What? In my videos. Oh. No one of those ones.
Where is it? What was that?
There.
Oh, you have to put it, tell Grandad, you have to put it into that line. That line there.
Fine.
Show Grand that line.
In the middle.
Come on.
Oh, this is going on my vlogs. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Put that one. Oh, no.
Chris, which on this?
To the top.
Should be. Big one. It's a big one.
Don't touch the firework. Tell him to put it into that line. Don't touch it.
Tell her it's hot.
Put it into that line, Grandad.
Wheel.
What?
Here.
Ready?
Yeah, we're
Ready?
ready. Right, further down. Right. Yeah,
Doing behind. Oh, it's going.
go.
Chris, yeah.
Behind me.
Yeah.
Hiding for.
There you go.
Hiding from William Buck. Hiding from William Buck. Hiding from William Buck.
And the camangs. No, not again.
Hello.
Ready?
Right there. It's quite a big one.
Oh,
Cool.
that's a nice one.
Ha! I got a big spider. Yay!
Yeah, don't touch the firework. Give Grandad this. Yeah. Don't touch.
Get your hands.
Because he's older than you. Come here.
We're doing now.
Halfway needs burying. Say, this line here, Grandad. That line there. Needs to go into that line. Tell him.
Is that fine?
Halfway up.
Vlog of the year.
William.
You ready?
Ready?
Oh. What? Because I'm doing my vlog.
No, it doesn't say any line. It just says just a little bit. So, Grandad, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So I'll put that on.
Yeah.
Can't even talk about video.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Stand up for me. Come here.
Ooh.
comes.
And this big one,
What's up? This one say?
it just says just a little bit at the bottom.
What is it?
This is last one.
Are you sure it at the bottom?
Just a little bit at the bottom it says. Just so it's safe.
This one says, I'm gonna go into the fire.
It's a bit wet. Watching. Woo, it's going. Oh.
Oh. No, no.
Yeah, this is last one.
Just one.
Last one.
What?
Fireworks at Sparkle's ready when this is done. Ready? You're watching it? Last one. No, that's not a skirt. That's not.
That's the packet.
You watching? You're not watching? Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
And that's it.
Right, you have to hold it right out like that. Not up there, right down there. That's it. Grandad's gonna light you. What are you doing?
When it's still.
You have to get it near your body or your face. Because you haven't. Hold it still. Oh. Right.
Yeah.
What about Liam? Let Liam get a light. Let Liam get a light off you.
Come here, this way.
It's in there. Go on, stick it on the end.
Got it. Got it.
That's it, wind it
Go
round.
like that. That's it, round and round.
Go on. Round and round. And round we go. Is it nearly done? Let's light another one. Come here. Yeah, when that one's done, throw it on the floor.
Am I still going?
Right, throw that one on the floor.
It's gone.
Just hold that right at the bottom. That's it. We'll get Liam another one. We like one. Just a minute, keep it still. Round and round. Woohoo!
You want to go down up the deck here and do it?
Wait a minute.
Come down here,
Wait a minute. When this one's done, we can do this one on decking, alright? Wait a minute, when it's done, you throw it on the floor. Woo!
Are you all finished yet?
Almost. Nearly.
Nearly done.
Thank you.
Mm.
That's it, throw it on the floor.
That's going.
Throw it on the floor. That's it, now we do that. Then
I'll do that.
Nicely going. No, it's not gone yet. Just leave it to go. I've got the fireworks for set off. Today's vlog.
Don't light it just yet. I'm not ready.
What do you mean I'm not ready?
Oh, just give us 2 minutes. That is the last one.
Yeah, just getting it over with. I'm not waiting for you to go in there and turn it around. They are on. Right, come here. You have to hold it right on the end. Oh, you've got last one there.
Last one.
Keep still.
Technical difficulties.
Right, stand there, yeah. We're going now.
You want to sit in that chair?
Oh, just let him stand there and watch him.
Right, let me take a picture there.
You ready? Turn round. Hold it out. There, step up the fireworks away from him. Thank you very much. Hooray! Wind it right away from you.
You like that?
Wave it around.
Yeah, look here.
Ready?
Up and down.
Cut.
Jack, look up.
Wind it out.
Mum, let's get a picture from there. Just move it.
Quick, because it's fed up. Wait till it stops. It's nearly done. Oh, it's just trickling.
Stick it over.
Yeah,
Over. So,
yeah, all done.
you set that heat to it.
Just turn it on.
And the show has now concluded. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with the next video by subscribing to the channel and turning on the post notifications. And I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.